Magandang umaga! Welcome back to my channel. Ngayong araw na ito ay maghahanap po kami ng durian. Habang binabaybay natin ang highway papuntang bilihan ng durian, ay ipapasyal ko muna kayo saglit. At habang namamasyal, mag-aano po ako ng music. Free to download po ito at no copyright po. Ayun, sa wakas nakahanap rin kami ng durian sa may fruit stand. Kasi doon sa mga malls na pinuntahan namin, wala po kaming mahanap na durian. Meron mang durian is mas mahal po siya konti, mga kaibigan. Ayan, ang una po nating bubuksan ay ang Umali durian. Ayan po, mga kaibigan. Ang pangalawa po nating bubuksan, mga kaibigan, ay ang Montong durian. Montong durian is the most important and famous durian variety of Thailand. It means golden pillow and Thai. Ayan po, mga kaibigan, if the durian is the king of fruits, Thailand is the king of durian. Why? Because the most expensive durian in the whole world is found and grown only exclusively in Thailand's Nonthaburi province. Ang pangatlo po nating bubuksan, mga kaibigan, ay ang Cove durian. The most expensive durian ever sold was auctioned for $48,000 o 2.6 million peso mahigit sa ating bansa. And high-grade durian breeds like Montong durian cost over $100 mahigit or 5,000 mahigit sa ating bansa. A third of the price of the Kanyao variety durian in Thailand. Ang natikman ko po sa tatlo na mas masarap ay ang Umali durian. Ayan po, mga kaibigan, ipapatikim ko po sa anak ko ang Umali durian. Usually po kasi sa mga Japanese, hindi po kumakain ng durian dahil po sa amoy nito. Napakatapang po ng amoy na durian. Dito din sa atin sa Pilipinas, marami din hindi kumakain ng durian dahil po sa kanyang amoy. Pero pag natikman mo po ito, ay para ka pong nasa paradise. Ika nga. Wow! Ayan po, mga kaibigan, sa pangalawang araw pong paghahanap namin ay nakahanap po kami ng basketball at saka doyaya durian. Ito po, bubuksan na po natin ang basketball, mga kaibigan, at ang doyaya durian. Wow! Sa dalawang durian na ito, hindi matapang at hindi masakit sa ilong po, mga kaibigan. Durian is a unique tropical fruit. It's popular in Southeast Asia countries na binabansagang the king of fruits, the king of all fruits. Durian is very high in nutrients, containing more than most other fruits, kaya po siya binansagang the king of all fruits. However, it is also gets a bad rap due to its strong smell. Napakalakas po ng amoy niya, mga kaibigan. Durian grows in tropical regions around the world, particularly in Southeast Asian countries of Malaysia, Indonesia, and Thailand. Also, here in the Philippines, in Singapore. The fruit can grow up to 1 foot or 30 centimeter long and 6 inches or 15 centimeters wide. Durian of Davao. Presently, the country is actively expanding durian production, especially in the typhoon-free areas in Mindanao. Durian trees grow almost exclusive in Mindanao, particularly in Davao, Cotabato, Sulu, and Agusan. In fact, Southern Mindanao is considered as the Durian Republic of the Philippines. Durian fruit comes in many types in terms of varieties and colors here in the Philippines. Even in the other country like Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Singapore. According to the fruit stand's owner, that there are 135 varieties of durian that they know because of the crossbreed to the other Southeast Asian countries. There are several colors also such as white, yellow, orange, and red. Pero sa kasalukuyan po ngayon, marami na pong mga iba-ibang kulay ang durian dahil po sa mga ginagawa nilang eksperimento dito. Ayan, day 3 na po tayo mga kaibigan. Ang nahanap po namin dito ay ang Arancillo durian, Arancillo variety. Masarap din po siya mga kaibigan. Sa mga nagtatanong po kung magkano ang durian, dito sa amin sa Davao City, ang durian po ay 60 to 80 pesos per kilo po mga kaibigan. Marami po mga benefits ang durian po mga kaibigan. It reduces cancer risk. Its antioxidants may neutralize cancer-promoting free radicals. It prevents heart disease. Several compounds in durian may help reduce cholesterol levels and your risk of atherosclerosis or the hardening of your arteries. Fights infection, and also lowers blood sugar. There are some benefits of durian. Number 1, like chocolate. Durian can make you happy. Durian contains the amino acid tryptophan, mga kaibigan. Totoo po yan mga kaibigan. Nakakasaya po pag kumain ka ng durian. Kasi nung araw, nung nakatira pa ako sa Japan, ang mga Japanese ay naniniwalang na ang chocolate ay anti-stress or tagatanggal ng pagod po. Pero dito sa atin, pwede pong pang-substitute ang durian po mga kaibigan. Number 2, health plus benefits of durian. Durian may help regulate blood pressure. Durian can play a part in regulating blood pressure because it is a dietary source of potassium, an electrolyte that helps to maintain blood pressure levels. Having said that, it's important to also keep those durian seeds in moderation. Number 3, health plus benefits of durian. Durian may help you sleep better. The higher your levels of melatonin, the hormone that controls your sleep cycles, the better you sleep. Durian contains tryptophan, an essential amino acid that is required to increase the levels of melatonin. So, eating a seed of durian near bedtime may help you sleep better. Opo, totoo po yan mga kaibigan dahil nung kumain po ako, kinain po namin nung before po ako matulog, ayan, inaantok po ako. Sa mga may insomnia po dyan mga kaibigan na same sa akin, pwede po ito para po sa inyo. Benefits number 4. Durian may help combat skin pigmentation and wrinkles. Durian contains more vitamin C than many tropical fruits. Vitamin C has antioxidant properties that help to fight free radicals in your body, which can help reduce the appearance of pigmentation and wrinkles. So including the fruit in your diet could supplement your beauty regime, although like all good things, it's best consumed in moderation. Ayan po mga kaibigan, yung mga tumatanda na po dyan, mga nagkaka-wrinkles, ito po ang bagay po sa inyo, ang durian benefits. Health plus benefits number 5. Durian contains nutrients that may help support bone health. Durian is rich in the minerals iron, copper, and potassium, all of which are essential for maintaining strong bones. Po mga kaibigan. Iwas po osteoporosis. Number 6, health benefits of durian. Durian boosts energy. Being in high carbohydrates, durian could also provide that energy boost when needed. 2 seeds may give you as much energy as a medium-sized banana. The high potassium content in durian can also help reduce fatigue and relieve anxiety. Ayan po mga kaibigan, yung mga may anxiety po dyan at mga stress dyan, kumain na po kayo ng durian nang mawala po yung stress nyo. Durian bad effects. Eating durian fruit might cause stomach discomfort, gas, diarrhea, vomiting, or allergic reactions in some people. Eating durian seeds might cause shortness of breath. Sa mga hindi po sanay kumain ng durian mga kaibigan, kaya ito ang dahilan kung bakit bawal po sa mga matataas ang dugo o mayroong high blood pressure at saka sa mga buntis na mayroong high blood pressure at saka sa mga taong nag-iinom ng alak na isasama po sa alak yung pagkain ng durian. Nakakasama po ito sa inyo. At dito po nagtatapos ang aking video tungkol sa the king of all fruits, durian in the Philippines. Hanggang sa muli po mga kaibigan. Maraming pong salamat.